There's a lot of customers out there that's having the same issues that we're talking about today. I would say about 80% of Emerson customers who have a Delta V system turn off all their alert capabilities on their system because it overburdened their historical view, operator interface, AMS alert monitor, because when you get too much alerts, you don't know what to do. So therefore, the customer end up turning off their stuff. Now you don't got nothing, no information on alerts, information on your smart instrumentation to give you advanced notification. There are new tools that has been created to help optimize these alerts for you, so you do less activities and less effort to get those alerts out effectively. One thing about AMS Device Manager, it gives you a lot of information on what are the issues with the alerts, as well with advanced diagnostics that's built inside the devices themselves, that you get more predictive information on cavitation on your process, sensors fixing to fail, and as well as how to fix those and troubleshoot those situations when you're in that scenario. By using AMS Device Manager, you get all the information, push it to your digital transformation to get the stuff that you need to do your day-to-day operation more effective. Also, prediction, pre-planning your maintenance activities. There are tools such as I/O Studio in Delta V that help do further optimization on those alerts, as well as the channel level, which help with your control strategy, where it will not trip off your plant on certain alerts. In the old ways, you have to go through creating a lot of templates through Delta V, and within those templates, nothing is really optimized. It takes hours, day to even optimize one device, right? With that optimization, you have to go through with your maintenance folks to see which one actually is critical. So that could take a day or two. And so by optimizing that one piece, that's just one device type, right? Now how can you populate that into hundreds of those devices at the same time? Those are old ways of doing things, but with the new way, the I/O Studio that's been built with Delta V now, you can do all that in a simple, easy way, because now you can tell what device type, what rev it is, and push it down to every single channel. I want to hear from you, right? Let me know what your digital transformation idea, what your strategy may be, what kind of issue you'll run into, and leave me a short comment below of how you think we can help you with this digital transformation.